Good morning all. A warm welcome to another section of our EVS class. Hope all are fine and staying safe at your home. Shall we start our class? Tell me which chapter we have learned. We learned about the second chapter, Animal Habitat and Adaptation. In our last class, we discussed about different habitats of animal. Can you tell me which are the different habitats? Yes, they are forest, desert, polar region and mountain, oceans and freshwater. After that, we discussed about adaptation of animal such as body covering. Do you remember what we have learned? Tell me, what is adaptation? Can you recollect it? Yes, adaptation is the special features of animal to survive in their habitat. Which are the body coverings of animal? In fish, they have scales. In snail and tortoise, they have shell. In yak and sheep, they have wool and fur. So these are the body covering of animals. So in today, we are going to discuss about adaptation of animal such as breathing organ, organ for movement and migration. So let's move on our topic. You know children, all living organisms breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. There are different types of breathing organs for different animals. Which are the different types of breathing organs? Do you know? Very good. Lungs, gills, skin. Let's move the topic. Before that, can I ask you something? How do we breathe? Yes, we breathe through our nose. The air carries from nose to the lungs. So we can say our breathing organ is lungs. In this section, we are going to discuss about the breathing organs of animals. Let's see.
Breathing organs of animals. Fish have special structure called gills through which they breathe. Water flows in through mouth and flows out through the gills. Frog and earthworm breathe through their moist skin. Frog also breathe through the lungs when they are in land. Insects such as grasshopper and cockroach breathe with the help of series of tiny holes along the side of their body called spiracles. The small microscopic organisms such as amoeba and paramecium breathe through their body surface.
Children, now I am standing here with my legs. Now I am going to take a pen from the table and hold it in my hands. I'll move with my legs to take that pen. So the organ for movement is leg. In case of animals, they have different organs for their movement. They move to take food, water and shelter. They also move to escape from their enemies. Different animals have different organs for movement. Let's see about that.
Organ for movement. Animals move around in search of food and shelter, to look their mate and to escape from their enemies. Movement in land animal. Animals live on land such as horse, cow, dog and cats move with help of their limbs. Two front limbs are called forelimbs and back limbs are called the hind limbs. Movement in human. Human being walking upright with the help of two legs or lower limbs. Their upper limbs are called arms. Movement in birds. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Forelimbs are modified into the wings, which help them for a smooth flight. Movement in reptiles. Snakes do not have limbs. They move with the help of scales present on the body. The animals such as lizard and crocodile crawl using their short legs. Movement in aquatic animals. Frog hop around using their strong and long hind limbs. They also have a webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Fish, dolphin, and whales have a special structure on their body called fins which help them to swim. In penguins and seal, fins like structures are called flippers that help to their movement and they are use their hind limbs for walking also. Movement in insect. Insects are small animals with six legs. Most insects have wings that help them to fly, while some do not have wings. Example spiders, bedbug, and ant, and move with the help of legs. Insects such as grasshopper hop with help of their hind legs. Water boatmen swim in water using their legs and oars. Have you ever seen the snow crane? You know, children, they are rarely seen in our India. They are from Siberia. Why they are here? Do you know? Yes, they migrate from Siberia to India. What is migration? The movement of animal in large group from one place to another in search of food and warmth is called migration. Some birds migrate during the winter season to reproduce and find food. They use the fat stored in their body on such long journey. Some insects such as monarch butterfly migrate during winter from Canada to Mexico. Siberian white cranes or snow crane migrate to India during winter from western Siberia. Salmon, it's a type of fish, migrate from sea to a very long distance to lay their eggs in river. So this is migration.
Children, now you know all about migration. Okay, let's summarize what we have learned today. Can you recollect it? Yes, we have learned about first one, breathing organs of animal such as gills, spiracle, lungs and skin. Second one, organ for movement such as fins, wings and limbs. Third one, migration. What is migration? Migration, it is the movement of animals in a large group to search for their food and shelter. Hope it was clear for you all. So read your textbook. See you on the next section. Thank you and have a nice day.